To be completely honest, I'm feeling a little anxious right now, but as you can see, nothing is moving yet. Wait, are you serious? No way. There is no absolute way. Hey everyone, glad to see you back here. Today we are taking a look at some new web projects. As you know, I've been diving into this topic for the past couple of weeks, and let's be honest here, when you spend enough time in this space, you see a lot of garbage. Now, I look at everything with maximum skepticism. So, just a few days ago, some good friend told me about this new tool and showed me how it works. So, I got curious. And in this clip, I'm running a live, raw test on it. All right, let's switch over to Telegram now and find the helper tool. Yeah, there it is on the screen. Let's hit start right here. Okay, nice. Let's take a look at the main dashboard. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. I'm going to press the continue. Okay. I have absolutely no clue how it's going to turn out or what the screen will show. All right. It looks like I need to complete a couple of quick tasks first. Just give me one moment, please. It's super quick. And while I am setting this up for our trial, let me remind everyone that this video is strictly for information and is not financial advice. No, I am definitely not a financial expert. I just find these apps, run real experiments on them, and document the whole test right here for you. Please always remember to do your own research before you touch any platform. All right, now, as you can see, the data is processing. All right, let's jump back into the bot. Hmm, I think I need to refresh this main page from there. And I think that would be good. I think that would be good. Okay. Come on. Awesome. Everything is ready to go. That means we configured everything correctly. Yeah, yeah. So let's keep moving, guys. Here, I'm going to start our test. Now you can just follow my moves on the screen. I'm going to click this button right here. Right now, I am linking our technical helper tool directly to the project's interface. It's a very basic and easy step. You just follow the prompts on the screen. Yeah, guys, I just follow the steps here. So guys, this is the project that actually caught my attention. So I've decided to put it to the test right now to see what it's all about. So stay with me. Okay, copying this one and pasting here. All right, good. Okay, guys, just a couple more clicks and we are 100% ready. The interface is pretty good, by the way. I really like it. All right, let's wait for it. And yeah, there we go. To be completely upfront with you, my heart is beating a little fast right now. I don't know what to expect, guys. I hope the result will be good. In the meantime, I'm using a tiny test balance for this network run. I am totally okay if I'm losing it. Keep in mind, this is just a controlled technical experiment. All right, let's open these tiles. Just like that. I'm just following the process here, here and here. And the last one. Okay. All right, let's confirm the network action. Wait. Wow. Did you see that? That is wild. Wow. I am honestly speechless because I did not expect this kind of outcome before we started. That is so interesting. Now, guys, we need to move to the most interesting part of this whole test. I am going to send everything back to myself. And while this wraps up, let me remind you one more time that this video is not financial advice. Ultimately, I am just sharing my personal journey with you guys on this channel. I definitely suggest sticking around from the very first second to the final moment so you can see exactly how the interface responds. Okay, let's wait the notification. All right, let's head back to my account now. Okay, I don't know. To be completely honest, I'm feeling a little anxious right now, but as you can see, nothing is moving yet. Wait, are you serious? No way. There is no absolute way. You've got to be kidding me. I mean, I am completely speechless here, guys. This is exactly what I wanted to investigate today. Bye bye.